Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best air fryers in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best air fryers. The 5th product on our list is Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501. If you want a budget-friendly air fryer that's as stylish as it is effective, then the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is worth considering. It's easy to use with its LED touch control panel located on its glossy top, and it features 7 presets for various foods including bacon, chicken, and vegetables, and it enables you to adjust the temperature and cooking time to suit your tastes. On test, we found the air fryer produced crisp, crunchy fries with soft, fluffy insides and succulent, juicy chicken wings. However, it struggled to evenly brown foods, so we found ourselves tweaking cooking times, and it wasn't effective when cooking frozen foods either. The Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 has some useful safety features. You have to fully insert the air fryer basket before the controls will work, and the basket has a button that you need to press before you can remove it from the air fryer. It also has a reminder to shake, which can be activated when setting the cooking time that will alert you halfway through cooking so you can turn the food to achieve an even crisp. Up next in 4th place is the Ultenic K10 Smart Air Fryer. If you have yet to ever own an air fryer, but are a little nervous to try out new appliances and/or are conscious about spending money, the Ultenic K10 is a good beginner-friendly option to consider. During our review, it was hard to find fault in its results. Its full-featured control panel comes with options like keep warm, automatic preheat, and a reminder to give the food a shake, giving you a lot of bang for your buck, especially with its budget-friendly price tag. It doesn't have any other cooking function, however, apart from air frying, but its 11 presets and its app, which only works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, will make it a really easy-to-use and nice addition to the kitchen countertop. In our tests, we found it did a great job of producing crunchy, golden fries with fluffy insides, as well as crispy chicken wings with moist, tender meat inside. A particular feature we loved is that there's a little beep halfway through select cooking modes to remind you to shake the foods, which is something that's really easy to forget about if you're an air fryer novice. You won't be able to cook 2 food types at the same time, though, and the controls are on the top, so placing it on a high counter may not be the best position for it. The 3rd product on our list is the Ninja Woodfire. Though it's still electric, the Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill is designed for outdoor use, making it a fantastic addition to your backyard or garden, and just the perfect cooking appliance to see you through your summer barbecues and backyard parties. It's primarily a grill and a smoker, but it comes with a few additional cooking functions that give you a bigger bang for your buck. It can also air fry, bake, and roast. Even if you haven't used an electric grill or smoker before, you won't have a hard time using this one. On test, we found it incredibly easy to use, thanks in large part to its clever, self-igniting Woodfire smoke box that utilizes wood pellets to give your food that smoky flavors that traditional wood or charcoal grills deliver. And it does so without a flame and with very minimal mess. If you hate the cleanup after grilling, this might be a better option for you. Just bear in mind that the accessories here aren't dishwasher safe, so you still have some cleaning to do. As far as its air frying function, it works well too. It comes with a 2.5 quart basket that gives you enough room to cook around 3 pounds, 1.5 kilograms of fries, every single piece of which came out crispy and fluffy during our testing. The 2nd product on our list is the Dreo Chefmaker. The Dreo Chefmaker is so impressive with its cooking prowess and its ability to deliver moist on the inside and crispy on the outside results. That's due to the fact that this air fryer is able to cook more precisely than many others. Rather than the usual presets, bake, dehydrate, reheat, etc., the Chefmaker offers Chef Mode, Classic Cook, and Probe Cook, so that you can either fine-tune the cooking experience, set it and forget it, or have the machine cook your food until its internal temperature is right where you want it, thanks to a nifty probe aka food thermometer that's included in the box. During testing, every meal we prepared turned out perfectly. We were particularly impressed by the way the Chefmaker cooked steak, with results that wouldn't look out of place in a restaurant. The transparent glass basket is also a nice addition, as you can keep visual tabs on your food without pulling the basket out. We also appreciate the fact that the components are dishwasher safe. And though water atomization and superconvection seem like buzzwords that Dreo applies here, make no mistake, this is a powerful, if pricey, air fryer. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Ninja Double Stack. With most air fryers, the more generous the cooking capacity, the more counter space you'll need to sacrifice. This Ninja model cleverly avoids that issue by stacking its baskets one on top of the other, rather than side by side. Each drawer holds 5 quarts or 4.75 liters, and you can create even more cooking space by slotting in one of the provided trays. Although do note that the tall, rather than wide approach means you won't get able to fit in, say, an uncut pizza. In our review, our tester noted no compromise in performance with this new design approach. The double stack delivers the same excellent performance as other Ninja air fryers we've tested. A wide range of different cooking modes make this model ultra versatile, while the sync and match functions take all the pain out of cooking foods with different timing requirements. Select your cooking mode, set your finish time, and, if you're synchronizing the 2 baskets, select the cooking times for each, and it'll do the math for you. There's also virtually no heat leakage between the 2 trays, which is good news if you're dealing with precise foods or don't want to waste energy when only using one basket. The main downside here is that the double stack is pricier than other dual basket air fryers, so if you don't need to save on counter space, you could get something as good for a lower price. But if you have a small kitchen, it could be well worth the extra investment. That's all for our list of the 5 best air fryers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.